what I'm seeing now is a tree structure similar to like Windows Explorer. And I see that at the top, below factory landscape, which is the current host drawing, I have this xref called A1 that I renamed a little while ago. And as a branch below A1, I see factory floor plan. Now I see that this factory floor plan is dependent on A1. So when I click on that, I'll see I can change the path for A1, but I cannot change the path for factory floor plan. In order to change that path to relative, I would have to go into drawing A1, which I can do by clicking here on it, right-clicking and saying Open. When I go into A1, then I can go and change the path for factory floor plan M12. So there's another situation. You can't change the path because it is being that particular xref is nested inside of another xref. And this can happen without you realizing it if you're combining lots of drawings. This is a common situation. Again, all my references are from the architectural and building realm, but you might have a situation where you've brought together maybe in order to create an interior or a building section, I've brought together a floor plan and my exterior elevations and possibly another section from another drawing. And depending on how that floor plan was xref'd into each of those other files, you might end up switching a particular xref from being just a overlay here in this current drawing to a nested xref. So you kind of have it in there as two different types of attachment. And we can end up chasing, again, on that wild goose chase, trying to figure out where it is that the problem has cropped up. So why don't we take a look at that. In this case, what I'm going to do is open this drawing called A1. And we'll see in here, whoa, I've actually have several xrefs. And as I click on them, I'll see that this factory electric is in here as an overlay. That's why it didn't come through into the other host. The factory floor plan is in here as an attach. That's why it did come through when I attached this host full path. I could have come up with a better name for this one, couldn't I? And then this factory lighting was also laid in here as an overlay. That's why it came through. It did not come through, but factory floor plan did. So if we need to change any of this for whatever reason, say this factory floor plan needs to be changed from an attachment to overlay, I can just select it here in the File References pane, and down in the Details pane, click here where it says Attach, and that's just a little selector. I can switch it from Attach to Overlay. And now when I save the drawing, and I'm going to do a Control Tab here and switch back to my factory and reload. Not quite sure why I'm not getting I should get a little yellow balloon here.